Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So as you already know that I am in Maldives and in Sheraton, which is a wonderful resort to stay in. And today I am here to give you some very important information, and that information is regarding your free stays. So in many of my videos you must have seen that sometimes I make payment using the money and sometimes I make payment using the points. So actually, which points are these? Which points I'm talking about? This must be your question. So today I am here to give you the answer about this. So actually, every hotel has its loyalty program, and through that you earn the points. But Marriott is having one of the most powerful loyalty program, which is Marriott Bonvoy program. But still the question remains the same, how to earn the points. So to earn the points, there are multiple ways. The first one I would say is you go and stay in any of the Marriott property and you will get the points. But are those points sufficient for the free stays? No. For that you need something else also. And what is that something else? That something else is you can earn the point using the credit card spent as well. So today I am introducing this American Express travel card, which is a credit card. And on this card you can earn lakhs and lakhs of points. So this card, first of all, I must tell you that this card comes absolutely free. It has no fee at all to be paid. And on this card, when you make your spends, whether it is online, it is offline, anyways, you will get the points. On the spend of every 50 rupee, you will get 1 point. And on the spend of every 100 rupee, you will get 2 points. And what else? With these points, will you be able to earn a lot? No. Now, as soon as you reach the limit of 1.9 lakhs, you earn 15,000 points. And as soon as you cross the milestone of 4 lakhs, you will earn 25,000 points and additional 8,000 points and a voucher of Taj worth rupees 10,000, which you can redeem at any of the Taj property. Isn't it really wonderful? Yes, so altogether now you have 48,000 points in your account, in your MX account. And using this 48,000 points, you can go to Courtyard Aravali and enjoy your 3-night stay absolutely free. Yes, you heard very right. Absolutely free. But with 48,000 points, you cannot go abroad. For that, what you have to do? For that, you actually need lakhs and lakhs of points. But for that, I would tell you there is a referral program as well for this card. If you refer this card to any of your friends, you will earn 12,000 points. Yes, 12,000 points. Just one time effort and you are going to earn 12,000 points. So you can refer this card to as many people as you wish to. You can refer to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is absolutely up to you. How many points you want to accumulate? If you accumulate 2 lakh points, Maldives, Sheraton is ready to welcome you for 5 free nights. Are you interested? Yes, I was very much interested. I have used the points only and finally I have reached this property Sheraton. Do you find this property interesting? All the overwater villas around me are every time making me so excited to keep walking on this footbridge. I am just loving this place. So Sheraton Maldives is waiting for you. You just have to accumulate 2 lakh points. And if you are really interested in traveling, you can use these points for the airline travels as well. If you are interested in going in economy, business class, first class, in any of the airlines of your choice, be it Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, Emirates, British Airways, in any of the airlines, if you want to travel using these MX points, you can travel. But there, the ratio is 2:1. Means 2 MX points is equal to 1 mile. So it is a good deal, but not a great one. But here in Bonvoy, what do we get? we get 1:1. The ratio is 1:1. For 1 MX point, you get 1.5 point. So this is a better deal to have. So now this opportunity gives you a way. It opens the gateway for you to visit the world. Now there is nothing to stop you. Accumulate as many points as you wish to. And then visit, travel anywhere. Where to go? How to use these points? Anywhere across the world, any of the Marriott property you go to, you can use these points and you can enjoy your free stays. Go to America, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, wherever you have the dream to visit. So the world is waiting for you now. Use this trick. So what are the ways finally how to earn the points? The first one is that you have to go to any of the Marriott property and you will get the points. Second is you will earn the points on your spends, be it online, offline, anyways. And then the third one is that you have to refer the card to your friends, family, colleagues, neighbors, and you will keep earning the points and accumulating them. And then the entire world is waiting. The entire world is like you can go anywhere, wherever you wish to. So this is the way I also make the payments many a times. Whenever I have enough points in my account, I make the payment using the points. And I travel also using the points only. I have already shared my video in which I have traveled using the points. So it is up to you which way you want to spend. I have given you how to earn, how to spend both the ways. Now it is up to you. So if you like the idea, if you like the trick, if you like my video, like it, share it with your friends, earn the points together, go for the MX card, apply today only, start earning, start accumulating and start spending, enjoying. If you liked it, say I hit the like button and subscribe to it.